Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. In today's video, I wanted to talk about where you should be focusing your efforts as a brand new affiliate marketer. I get asked that question a lot. It's like, Shin, there's a lot of places where I could be marketing my business. Where should I focus my efforts for the best and most consistent results in terms of building know, like, and trust authority, leads, and sales? Where should I be focusing my efforts? Well, in order to answer that, I'm gonna go back and do a little story time and talk about my first 30 days as an affiliate marketer, what my mentor told me, what I did, and what results I got. So my first 30 days as an affiliate marketer, my mentor told me that she wanted me to stick to a consistent, simple process. That simple process was 2 steps. She said, every day, Shin, I want you to make a YouTube video, a YouTube review video. Is there a bug on me? I don't know. I want you to make a YouTube video and I want you to email your list. I did that consistently for the first 30 days. Now, I've said before that my first 30 days, I was like, this ain't working. That's what I told myself in my head. This ain't working. I should have made my first dollar by now. And I said all those things to myself. And she basically said to me, don't you quit. Don't you give up. Okay? So I kept with those same 2 steps. Follow me. I stayed with those same 2 steps. The next 30 days, I started making thousands of dollars online, right? I went from 0 to thousands of dollars online because with those 2 steps, people began to see me consistently online, visibility, right? Know, like, and trust, right? Videos do all of these things. That's why video is king, right? YouTube is king because it was drawing people through search engine traffic to me that I never met. I didn't have to convince these people. I didn't know these people. They were from other countries, other cities I had never been to, all things like that. So that was the process. And then through emailing my list, sending simple daily email broadcasts, I was staying connected to my list. And then people felt comfortable. They were reaching out and saying, hey, I'm ready to join. I'm ready to get started. How do I do that? Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Now, the next 30 days, I added step number 3. Okay. So the first 2 steps was daily video and daily send an email broadcast to my list. Now the good thing is that nowadays, back then I was so afraid of like, what do I say? And now there's swipes, all types of things available. If you want some swipes, reach out to me if you want to purchase some. But nowadays there's swipes. If you don't know what to say to your list to send a daily email, there's things called swipes. Now the third step, and I call this a trifecta: a YouTube video, a email broadcast to your list, and a daily Facebook post. Okay, when I did that, it was like, woo. Okay, I just started earning like tons of money from those 3 steps. Oh wait, I'm gonna add in the 4th step. This 4th step is important. So a YouTube video, a YouTube review, email to my list, a Facebook post. And what did I do with that Facebook post? I didn't just make a Facebook post. I shared that same Facebook post to my story, and I shared it in 10 Facebook groups every single day. Every single day. Okay, that's what I did. Now, step number 4 was where the money was. That was to follow up. So what I did was I got a simple notebook. Okay, got a notebook. Anybody who asked me for information, I wrote down their name, their Facebook name, their email, whatever contact information they gave me. I wrote down that. And every Friday, I followed up with those people. Closed thousands of dollars of sales by simply saying, hey, did you watch the video? Did you watch the video? You got any questions? Done. People are so afraid to follow up. In Infinity Processing System, she actually gives you a closing script and a follow-up script so that you know what to say to people. But I kept it simple. Hey, did you watch the video? Do you have any questions? Can I help you get started? Done. Right? So those are 4 steps as a beginner that any beginner can follow to begin to have success in whatever you're promoting. If you're looking for something to promote, you want to make $300 commissions or $150 commissions, you are looking for a training platform to help you be a better affiliate marketer, I would encourage you to check out beneath this video Infinity Processing System, because it has the sauce, right, to cut your learning curve, and the commissions you can earn as an affiliate of that product are good. And that's really what it's about. If you're going to be an affiliate marketer, make sure that you pick products. If there's no other piece of advice I can give, pick products that are worth your time to promote and that pay you good commissions, and that is a good product. All right, so that's it. Smash the subscribe button, see you in the next video. Bye guys.